All right, this is the word problems number 2 homework. Let's take a look at number 1. It says, park workers cut rectangular pieces of sod measuring 1/3 feet by 3/4 feet. Find the area of the piece of sod. Okay, so they gave us the 2 dimensions and they're asking us to find area. Well, I know when we do area, it's multiplication. So I'm going to take those 2 measurements of 1/3 and I'm going to multiply it by 3/4. I can reduce on the diagonal and I'm going to get 1/4. Since I'm finding area, I'm going to label it feet squared. All right, let's take a look at number 2. Number 2 says a cake recipe calls for 2/3 cup of milk. A woman wants to make 3/4 the size of the cake in the recipe. So how many cups of milk does she need? Well, I'm finding 3/4 of 2/3 because we're only making 3/4 the size of the cake. So since I'm doing part of a part, I'm also going to multiply these. So I'm going to do 3/4 of 2/3 to find out how much I would need for just 3/4 of a cake. So I reduce on the diagonal and I get 1/2. I'm only going to use 1/2 cup of milk if I'm making 3/4 of a cake. All right, let's see. I'll have you try number 3 by yourself. Let's flip to number 5. All right, number 5 says, some accountants still use printing calculators that record each calculation on a long strip of paper, which comes in rolls. The area of the paper in one such roll is 1/3 square meter. The roll is 1/2 meter wide. So how long is the roll of paper? So I'm going to draw myself a picture. So here's kind of what that tape looks like, that long strip. So draw yourself a picture. They tell me the area right here. So I'm going to put that on the inside. The area is 1/3 meters squared. They gave me the width. They said the width is 1/12. They want me to find the length. So I'm not going to multiply these because I already have the area. So that's telling me I have to take the area, which is 1/3, and divide it by the dimensions. So the dimension they gave me was 1/12 for the width. So I'm going to divide by 1/12. So I'm going to keep, change, flip. Then I'm going to reduce. Then I'm going to multiply across and I will get 4 meters long. Okay, so hopefully those will help you solve the problems on this worksheet.